इंटरमीडिएट इंग्लिश चैनल पर खुश आमदेद। ये एक एजुकेशनल चैनल है। इस चैनल पर इंटरमीडिएट के इंग्लिश पेपर की मुकम्मल रहनुमाई और हेल्प वीडियोस की शक्ल में दस्तयाब हैं। हलशुदा 5 साल मारूजी पेपर्स की वीडियोस भी मौजूद हैं। इन वीडियोस को देखकर 90+ मार्क्स ले सकते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। नॉवेल गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स। क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स चैप्टर नंबर 18। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। राइट अ नोट ऑन मिस्टर चिप्स एज अ टीचर। एक्सेस मिस्टर चिप्स एज अ टीचर। एक्सेस मीन्स डिस्क्राइब, बयान करें। राइट अ ब्रीफ नोट ऑन मिस्टर चिप्स एज अ टीचर। ब्रीफली डिस्क्राइब मिस्टर चिप्स एज अ टीचर। इन दोनों का मकसद एक है, लफ्ज़ आगे पीछे डाले हुए हैं। चिप्स वॉज अ डिवोटेड टीचर। ही गेव हिज एंथुजियाज्म टू ब्रुकफील्ड एंड ब्रुकफील्ड रिटर्न्ड हिम लव, रेस्पेक्ट एंड ओबीडियंस। चिप्स ने अपना जोश जज्बा ब्रुकफील्ड को दिया। ब्रुकफील्ड ने वापस लौटाया उसे मोहब्बत, respect and obedience. He was punctual and dutiful. He did not miss his classes ever during the war days and even on the death of his beloved wife. All students loved him and he also loved them. That is why he considered them as his sons. He proved it even on his deathbed. Chips adopted jokes in his lessons to entertain his students. Question number 2 है जी, what did Merivale ask Chips to do? Who was Merivale? What did he say to Chips on the foggy morning? Merivale was a doctor and Chips' friend. When Chips came to his senses after being unconscious, Merivale, who was stooping over him and smiled, said, "Well, you old ruffian." तुम बूढ़े बदमाश। ये प्यार से लफ्ज़ बोलते हैं उसके साथ अक्सर डॉक्टर। फीलिंग ऑल राइट, क्या तुम बिल्कुल ठीक महसूस कर रहे हो? दैट वाज अ फाइन शॉक यू गेव अस, ये एक उम्दा धचका था जो तुमने हमें दिया। ही आल्सो said Chips, "Don't go out in fog." Question number 3 है, describe the character of Cartwright. Why did Chips call him the new head? Cartwright became the headmaster of Brookfield when Chips resigned from the headship on November 11, 1918. He joined Brookfield in 1919. He was also kind to Chips. Chips thought of him new even though he had been at Brookfield since 1919. Question number 4 है जी, whom did Chips see around him when he awoke after being unconscious? Who attended Mr. Chips before his death? Answer है, when Mr. Chips came to his senses, he found himself on bed. जब मिस्टर चिप्स होश में आया तो उसने अपने आप को बिस्तर पर पाया। मैरीवेल, मिसेस विकेट, कार्टराइट एंड ओल्ड बफल, commonly called Rowdy, were in the room. Mr. Merivale was stooping over him and said, "Well, you old ruffian, feeling all right? That was a fine shock you gave us." Question number 5 है, who was Cartwright? What did Cartwright say about Chips' children? What was Chips' reaction on Cartwright's statement? Cartwright के बयान पर क्या रिएक्शन था, क्या रद्द-ए-अमल था जब उसने कहा था कि चिप्स इशूलेस है, उसके बच्चे नहीं हैं। How did Chips react to remarks of Mr. Cartwright about being issueless? What did Chips say to Cartwright in the end? What did Cartwright say beside Chips' bed? चिप्स बेड के साथ बैठे हुए कार्टराइट ने क्या कहा What was Chip's response? उसका जवाब चिप्स ने क्या दिया, रेस्पॉन्स क्या दिया? What did Cartwright say when Chips closed his eyes? What did Cartwright say to end his speech about Chips' death? ये क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट टाइम आएगा. अब है What did Chips say to Cartwright? What did Cartwright say about Chips' children? What did Cartwright say about Chips' children? What did Cartwright say about the children of Mr. Chips? What was Chips' reaction when Cartwright expressed his wonder at Mr. Chips being issueless? Who was Cartwright? What did he say about Mr. Chips? Who was Cartwright and what did he say about Mr. Chips' children? How did Chips respond to Cartwright's word? Cartwright के अल्फाज पर क्या उसने जवाब दिया मिस्टर चिप्स ने? What did Chips say about his children? What did Chips do when he heard Cartwright saying that it was pity that Mr. Chips never had any children? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है What information was shared between Merivale and Cartwright at the deathbed on Mr. Chips? Mr. Chips heard Cartwright talking about him in the room. Cartwright was whispering to Merivale, "Poor old chap." ये इंफॉर्मेशन है जो मैरीवेल और कार्टराइट के दरमियान शेयर की जा रही थी. Poor old chap must have lived a lonely sort of life. बेचारे ने तन्हा जिंदगी गुजारी होगी. Merivale told that he married and his wife died probably 30 years ago. यहाँ दी की बजाय that है लफ्ज़, THAT that. The Cartwright, यहाँ दी नहीं आएगा, गलती से लिखा गया. Cartwright said that Chips never had any children. At that Chips opened his eyes as wide as he could. इतनी अपनी आंखें खोली जितनी कि वो खोल सकता था. And told them, और उन्हें बताया that he had thousands children. All of students were his sons. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है How was Chips' death announced? What tribute did Cartwright pay to Mr. Chips while announcing his death? ये एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में आया है कि What did Cartwright say in his speech about Chips' death? ये इसका आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में है. In the morning when school bell sounded for breakfast, Brookfield had the news of Mr. Chips' death. Bell sounded, bell बजी. Sounded का मतलब यहाँ होगा बजना. Cartwright said in his speech, Brookfield will never forget his lovableness. Question number 7 है What were last words of Chips? What were the last words of Mr. Chips before dying? Describe the afternoon of the last day of Mr. Chips. What was Chips thinking when he was on deathbed? What did Chips remember on the last day of his life? What did Chips remember and wish when he was on the verge of death, यानी मरने के करीब था. Why was Chips remembering his students when he breathed his last? To whom was Chips recalling in the last moments of his life? What was Chips thinking when he was on the deathbed? What did Chips remember just before his death? What was Chips thinking when he was on the deathbed? What were the last feelings of Chips? What kind of thought came into Mr. Chip's mind? आंसर है इसका, in the last moments of his life he was remembering, recalling and thinking about his jokes and students and wished to sleep more peacefully. Chips opened his eyes as wide as he could and told the people around him that he had thousands of children. All his students were his sons. Next है question number 8. Write a brief note on death of Mr. Chips. Write down the death scene of Mr. Chips. How was Mr. Chips' death? Describe the scene of Mr. Chips' death. When did Mr. Chips die? Describe the last scene briefly. Describe death scene of Mr. Chips. Write the death scene of Mr. Chips. आंसर है, मिसेज विकेट फाउंड मिस्टर चिप्स lying unconscious when she returned from her relatives. When Chips came to his senses, he found himself on bed. Merivale, Cartwright and Old Buffles, commonly called, जिसको आम तौर पर कहा जाता था रॉडी, ओल्ड बफल्स को, also came in the room. Chips remembered his jokes and his students. A chorus was sung in his ears. In this way, he breathed his last.